So welcome everyone today to Action and Potential in Outreach, Education, and Research. It is my great joy and honor actually to be a participant in this webinar, which is a collaboration between brainfacts.org and the Society for Neuroscience with some support from Northwest Noggin. My name is Bill Griesar, and I am an instructor, senior instructor in neuroscience and psychology at Portland State University in Portland, Oregon. I'm also affiliate faculty at Oregon Health and Science University, or OHSU, in their Department of Behavioral Neuroscience. And I'm a co-founder, along with my colleague, instructor and artist Jeff Leake, of an arts-integrated neuroscience outreach nonprofit, all volunteer, known as Northwest Noggin, or nwnoggin.org. And what we do is we take our undergrads and our graduate students in neuroscience, but also in psychology and art and a whole host of various fields, and we get them to sort of collaborate and then go places. Today, many virtual places, but at the same time, we still go places for physically distanced outdoor kinds of outreach experiences where we bring real brains. There's human brains and other animal brains. We bring 3D printed brains, and we engage in various art projects to explore aspects of how the brain works, and what people already know about brains and what's personally relevant or interesting to them. So we are not going places as the expert. We actually don't know a lot necessarily about some of the places that we're initially going to. So we begin by listening and asking, telling who we are, but then asking, who are you? Like, what do you already know? What are some interests that you have? What would you like to know? And then we hear and then see where our stories from the lab, and from research and from the classroom connect with actual community experience. So it is, again, a great pleasure to be here today. I'm excited to have you hear from students, from teachers in public schools, from postdocs and grad students, from a whole host of participants in kind of innovative, arts integrated outreach, about the benefits and the challenges of this approach. And we're very lucky to have Dr. Richard Wingate, the head of anatomy at King's College London and the editor of brainfacts.org, and Lee Wilson, who is a research associate at King's and an avid outreach practitioner, talk more about